Hello friends, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram and Inkılap Zindabad. Dear friends, at first I will salute to all the youth and students of this country who took participation on Jantar Mantar for the paper leak exam against the ruler government. This day is very shameful for us. This is the day of the 20th of July 2026 because of the lathi charge on the youth of this country on the order of the ruler, prime minister, the spiritual person whose name is Narendra Damodar Das Modi. How shameless is this person? This person is childless and also we can say wifeless, but shameless is very poor word for this person. What would the what are the issues of the students? In place of taking the action on their minister, he, this person is taking the action on the youth of this country, who is completely true, who is writing, who is fighting for their rights, and a person who is fighting for all those students who did suicide. These persons are fighting for them. And police, the shameless Delhi police is also cooperating with that shameless Prime Minister whose name is then Damodar Modi. Sorry, this is the spiritual person. Sometimes it hurts not only me, it hurts all the youth of this country. We had just confirmed that we will do the peaceful protection on Jantar Mantar, from Jantar Mantar to the Sansad Bhavan. And we never expect this that the police, the Delhi police will not support us. Instead of supporting us, they will do lathi charge on us and so badly. In the lathi charge of Jantar Mantar, on Sansad Bhavan by the Delhi police, 90 to 95 students, 90 to 95 percentage of the youth of this, of that protest, they badly injured. Someone's leg or hand cracked, someone's head shoots, and also it is confirmed that a person also got shot by the gun. What's happening here? This is the very arrogant ruler. This ruler must go. This person is not only the arrogant, this person is egoistic, very, this person is known as a slaughter of this country. This person can only play the role of a dog. This person hasn't anything. And the most important, the most valuable part of this video is that India now became the only country who hasn't anything, who hasn't the power to do anything. The controller of India now has become the US, America. America has the power to control Narendra Damodar Das Modi. America is just dancing the India, making the dance to the India. India, the America has the control of India because of the Narendra Modi. Its main reason is that America has all the leaked files of the Epstein files of Narendra Modi, who badly treated with the new infants. Narendra Modi and some of his ministers. Epstein files have all the record of their bad works. This is why Narendra Modi always fears to do any kind of action, to take any kind of action against the government of the America. And here on the 20th of the July 2026, the youth are protesting for the right of their education. They are not the terrorists of this country, they are the youth of this country, they are the future of this country. And how shameless Delhi police. Delhi police is so shameless, so shameless, so shameless. I hope that further they will not do. But as they do on the 20th of July in the protest, this can never be forgotten. I don't think that Delhi police they don't have the family. Are they just like the Narendra Modi, who is the wifeless, childless, and everything less? The female police of Delhi, the female police of Delhi, the man police of Delhi, are they childless? Are they wifeless? Are they parentless? They must be shame. What will they say to their family after going from the protest? They will say proudly that we have just crushed all the students who were innocent. I badly treated with them who were innocent. I just snatched and teared the clothes of the girls. Do the Delhi police snatch and tears all the clothes of their son or their daughter also? Do they do the same work with their daughter also, as they did today? I don't know what they want to do. They must be very shameful for this. And after all these strikes, after all this action against the youth of this country, the youth didn't take any action, because the Abhijit Dipke, who is the founder of the CJP, he announced that we will not do any kind of action. We will not take any kind of the action. Don't forget the Delhi police, don't forget the peon of this country, Narendra Modi. Students have the power. Students have all the power that they will also make this country as the Nepal, Bangladesh and the Sri Lanka. They can make. And if Abhijit Dipke didn't announce for taking the action against the government, then today the history will be repeated. The history repeated itself today. On the 20th of July, the Sansad Bhavan might have been crushed. But this is the our right, that we fight with the constitution, we follow the rule of the constitution. We are not arrogant, we are not egoist, we are not egotist person. We are only the student who fight for our rights. So I hope that the same thing, the same protest will again go the further on the 21 of the July, 21st of the July 2026. And I hope if this video will reach to the Delhi police, this video will reach to the minister of the BJP, Bharatiya Janata Party, who has now the much of the authorities of this country. Because of this maximum authority, they are thinking that they are everything, they can do everything. Then don't forget Sri Lanka, Bangladesh and Nepal. You can also be crushed. So don't be arrogant. Whatever the demand is of the Abhijit Dipke, of the CJP and the youth of this country just take action against these demands. What are the demands for us? We have today Saurabh Das, when he meet to the JP Nadda, he just demanded only the three things. The first thing was to recover at the same place of the Sonam Wangchuk sir, who is the scientist of this country. He detained them. How shameless is this government? The second demand is that the resignation of the Prime Minister, Education Minister of this country, who is the Dharmendra Pradhan. And the third demand is that give to all those students who suicide, give announce 1 crore of the rupees to those students' family. These are the very simple demands. What the hell is going on in your mind, Mr. Narendra Modi? You have taken so many contributions as the illegal money. You have much of the crore of the money when you can buy the MLA and MP in the 50,000 crores. Then why cannot you give only 12 or 20, 50 crores to the students' family? What is going on in your mind? Don't be much more arrogant, otherwise you will be crushed, just like the Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, and the Nepal. So, don't be much more shameless. Just take the action against the Dharmendra Pradhan. And the voice of all the youth is that don't make anyone among your ministry, among your ministers as the education minister, just make the education minister to the Sonam Wangchuk sir, who is the scientist of this country. He will lead this education so peacefully and there will be no any kind of lead. Please follow this video and share as much as possible and subscribe as much as possible. Please share this video and thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.